Right, just some basics first. So this is the knuckle strap. I have mine on my left hand so I can hold the probe in my right hand. Your on button's here, so just press and you'll hear it go click and you can let it go. It takes about a second and it comes on. So my unit has got 2 types of software on, yours probably hasn't. So I need to check that I'm going to have the ultrasonic flow detector. Okay, so when it comes on, you see this little range is highlighted here. That means we're on this bottom. So if I use the right arrow, I can move along the different menus. So gate B menu, gate A menu, autocal, DB ref, receiver, pulsar, and range. So if I want to go up into the range menu, I just use the up arrow to get into it. So if I want to change the range now, what I can do, I can either use the right arrow to go up or the left arrow to go down, or I can use this little rocker. The top of the rocker takes big steps up, the bottom of the rocker takes big steps down. So fine adjustment with the arrows, big steps with the rocker. And that works just about for every menu. So we come down, going down to the velocity menu here, and it's showing the compression wave velocity for mild steel 5.9. So if I use the right button and toggle across, it goes into custom. If I use the rocker key, it goes through all the pre-programmed material velocities, just like that. Okay. Now if I come down to the bottom and I move along here, so range is highlighted, I go to pulsar, I can go up into that, I can change my pulsar voltage using either of those arrow keys or the rocker. I can change my damping, 50 ohms or 1000 ohms. I can change my PRF, or I can come down again to pulsar and move across to my receiver menu. So I can go up and I can change my frequency to match what my probe is. I can change my rectifying from full wave to RF to negative wave. And I can go from dual through or dual off. So if I've got a single crystal probe, that's what I use. Twin crystal probe, that one. And then if I got 2 probes either side of a part, like on some aerospace applications, I'll use through. Okay, back down to the bottom. I guess that's it for the first look menu, except just to say this top rocker here always does gain up and gain down. And if you press both of the pads together and there's an echo in the gate, it does auto 80. So gain up and gain down, navigate in. There is a sub menu. A long press on the center takes you down to the sub menu, where there's lots of other parts of the setup. So if we go to config 1 and go up into config 1, come across to this orientation. So this says right hand, and it means you're going to hold the probe in your right hand. So if I choose to change that to left hand, it flips it over, and now we are left hand holding the probe, driving with our right hand. Okay, cool.